Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 different toddler breakfast ideas that you can try for your kids. So I get a lot of requests asking me to share kids meal ideas, and this is one such video. I have shared a couple of them in the past, but since you are all requesting me to do more, this video is going to be for you. And if you have a picky toddler at home, I hope this video is helpful, because these are going to be wholesome meal ideas, but the kid gets to choose a variety of different food items from his or her plate, so that way the food is interesting for them and they tend to try out different things one after the other. So I hope you all enjoy watching this video, and if you find this video helpful, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and please make sure you're subscribed to this channel, and please click on the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any new videos that I post, because you are all asking me to share meal ideas. So many kids meal and healthy meal ideas coming soon on this channel. So stay tuned for that, and let's get started with today's video.
Coming to the first breakfast menu is Paneer Omelette with freshly prepared juice and fruit. Getting the ingredients for making the Paneer Omelette. Here we have eggs, grated paneer, chopped onions, chopped spinach leaves, some butter, milk, and some salt and pepper for seasoning. In a heated pan, adding a little butter and letting it melt. And adding the chopped onions and sauteing it well. And adding the chopped up spinach leaves. And after it has wilted, adding the paneer and letting it brown a little bit. And this really gives a very nice flavor to the omelette that my kids enjoy. Transferring it into a bowl and then cracking the eggs. Adding a little milk to it and the seasoning. Once that's done, adding the paneer masala into that and then pouring the mixture into a hot pan. Once that is done, it is ready to be served. Preparing some fresh carrot juice as well. And added some cut strawberries onto the plate, which completes the meal. So that way they can try out different foods one after the other, which makes this nutritious meal experience enjoyable. Second meal is my kids' all-time favorite, which is Beetroot Puri, along with sweet corn raita and fresh fruit. For that I have some boiled beetroot, flax seeds and fennel seeds, a few chopped up ginger and salt. I'm going to add everything into the blender and grinding it well. And add it to the atta and made this dough. And while the dough rests for a little bit, preparing the sweet corn raita. Very simple with these few ingredients: curd, carrots, cumin and salt, chopped cilantro and boiled sweet corn. Mixing everything together, and this is such a colorful raita for the kids to enjoy. The light sweetness of the corn along with all other flavor makes it so delicious. Finally, time to prepare the puri. After it's done, serving the meal with puri, raita and a few cut up grapes, and leave it for the kids to enjoy. Next on menu is besan chilas with nuts and yogurt. These are the ingredients used for the besan chilas: besan, pureed tomato, coriander, chili, turmeric powder and salt, cilantro, chopped up onions and some water. Mixing everything together, adding water and making a batter. Greasing the pan with little butter and adding in the batter. And garnishing it with chia seeds and cook until brown. Serving it with some cashews and raisins. And this is her favorite yogurt snack, which will keep her excited to have her breakfast. Next menu is chapati with avocado spread, fresh fruit and cheese. For making the avocado spread, I have a ripe avocado, tomato, onions, salt and pepper, some lemon juice, garlic cloves, olive oil and flax seeds. So adding all the ingredients into the food processor except for the olive oil and making into a spreadable consistency. And drizzling the olive oil at the end and giving in a good mix. I'm making the chapati here, and once ready, spreading the avocado spread onto the chapati and folding it and cutting it with a pizza cutter so that the little toddler hands can hold them conveniently. And serving it onto the plate with some orange and some cheese sticks. this sweet potato dosa with fresh fruit and nuts. For preparing the sweet potato dosa, I have some chopped up onions, tomatoes, boiled and mashed sweet potatoes, mustard, cumin seeds, coriander, turmeric and cumin powder, ginger garlic paste, salt and oil. In a pan, frying the mustard and cumin seeds, chopped up onions, ginger garlic paste, and once done, adding the tomatoes. Once cooked, adding all the masala powders into that, and also added some frozen green peas into it, and finally the sweet potatoes. In a hot tawa, adding the dosa batter, and adding the masala topping and folding it. For serving, adding some fresh mango pieces and some nuts. I'm just cutting it up so that she can eat it better. And yeah, this was the last meal menu on today's list. So that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video, and please make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and please share this video with your friends who have toddlers and kids. And that's it for today. I will see you all later. Take care and bye.
Tonight we're running on the right track.